Hello students, now we are going to start lesson number 17. Name of the lesson is gender discrimination. Sometimes discrimination is seen in the upbringing of boys and girls in our country. Awareness in this matter has spread in the last 2 decades. In this regards, the government is also making various schemes and efforts to ensure that there is no discrimination. Our country is a country of diversity. In modern times, boys and girls have been given equal right in education. Students, we know that in schools and institutions, in colleges, boys and girls are staying as a one family. Okay, they are sharing notebooks, they are learning together and getting education. So there is no discrimination in school and colleges. Because of traditional belief in some areas, girls have difficult in achieving the right to education. But then also in modern age, there are some places, some areas are there where the traditional beliefs are there, some superstitions are there. There should be problems of girls' educations, even they have the right to education. The prevailing discriminations has an effort on the social in the long run. Some evil customs still prevails in the society. This discrimination is one of the reason why child marriage is still take place in the some places. As a result of child marriage, most women are unable to get the higher educations and their development is stagnant. It also has a detrimental effect on women's health. Many such problems can be solved if gender discrimination is eliminated. There are such problems are there that we can solve easily if there will be a no discriminations among the boys and girls. In addition to men and women, around the third gender has been accepted. Sometimes men are paid more than women for the same work. So that the wages of work that should be differ. Both are doing work in the same place and same work, but then also the wages of men they are getting higher in compare of women. This kind of discriminations became a crime. In modern times, women are found in all fields. Women works as a doctor, engineer, lawyer, pilots, etc. Gender differences are mostly seen in the villages. Although the primary education is provided by governments, parents are found reluctant in providing higher education to their daughters. Higher education has become easier for daughters due to government assistance. So the primary education that is totally free, and in higher educations that should be a government giving helping to the girls' educations. After that, the first point of the lesson is upbringing of boys and girls according to Indian belief. In the 2001 census, a large difference was found in the number of boys and girls between the age group of 0 to 6 years. Inequality in the number of boys and girls has increased because of female fertilicides. For this, the government enacted an anti-forticides law. It is also a crime to test the gender of baby in the womb. According to the Indian belief, the son was given importance among the offsprings to carry on legacies of the family. The participations of the women has made a huge impact on this belief in the last decade. You may have participated in various events in your schools. Students, after that, there is a traditional belief. There are many myths prevalent in our country about gender discrimination. There are many differences found in the upbringing of boys and girls. In some areas, girls were not even allowed to complete primary education. For the last 2 decades, special efforts have been made by government so that the girls can complete their primary education. From last 2 decades, government is trying too much hard work, and because of that, we can see the result that girls or the women can complete their primary education. With the special effort by the government, the number of girls in our army and police is increased today. Parents prefer their daughters to work in their own area instead of sending their daughters out of city for their studies or job. For the last few decades, women are seen in the various fields. Women also join the space sector. The government is constantly striving for the safety of protections of girls on the basis of traditionals of girls or even opportunity of higher educations. Lack of interesting among the parents is seen for girls' education. Special assistance is given for the purpose of by the state governments for higher education.